they tell me, say, if I want to buy clothes, I go to Gucci, I go to Armani, I go to Rocco Barocco. I go the year. Not be say they go 30-euro cloth, 10-euro cloth, 15-euro cloth. Even maybe when they go even do discounts, now they go they buy.
Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are highly, highly welcome. Thanks for coming. Thanks for taking your time watching my video. I so much do appreciate your presence deep down my heart. To my all that returnees, God bless you all abundantly. If you are new here, you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and leave a positive comment below the comment section. Don't forget to on the notification bell as well. God bless you, my people. My people. More than no verse, and who do this video, no verse for my opinion. Mrs. Iyobosa issue, wetin can be everybody problem. I don't see person when he come out for this social media, when they leak his wife armpits because of popularity. Now person you open YouTube with First Lady of Jama. Now wetin you want? She just that popularity now that they find. Even you when you still put the matter for head, now the popularity now you define. He husband buying that, he husband not buying that. He not concern anybody. After all, money when Mrs. Iyobosa they get for her page, for her business, she not the throw him. Even though she use her money buy him, she can't say na the man buy him. Na good wife, never do him. Na good wife they only they put respect for your husband body. Wetin can be our problem? Everybody they create content. All those celebrating a different thing. They create content. Anything where you like talk. So far make the video go viral. See this celebrity was savage. He make us come out for public. So far make na popularity. Now everybody they find. Now then they find. Why it can't be say Mrs. Iyobosa on can't turn to problem. Even though she brag, she not brag. She buy Brasilia. Her husband buy Brasilia. What will be the difference? Person no come out, come they follow na to saga. She come out, come brag. He take the who won't believe her to believer. Waiting be our Edo problem. Why bring it down on her? Her husband they receive 500, 1,000 buying her Brasilia every day. Even though she buy him, use a snap picture, return her. Waiting be our problem. Even though she buy him, the man buy him. Waiting be our problem. Anything when she talk, which one be our problem for inside? I beg my Edo people. May we leave each other. May everybody take their lane. Not be person come and say my wife pursue me for streets. My wife put me for street. He say na content. Why Mrs. Iyobosa how come different? Not be person come and say he want be president for Nigeria. Wait, not be content all of them be. Not be person come out, they brag, say, he go put whether na Oxford, anything, he won't be president of Nigeria years back. Not be content, why Mrs. Iyobosa can be different? I beg, my Edo people, may we they make peaceful, may we they face where we suppose they face. People when you not find us, may we not they find them. One are not verse for my opinion. Now my opinion, I still talk. Who still attack me? I get mad, I go still attack you. All of us, we get mad, not deaf. We not fear each other. We need to talk for where today. I beg my people. God bless you. Like this video, share.
Of you. I know, say, likewise, people that is still watching me, I believe that they are not jealous of you. But what you they do, it too much. Okay? What you they do too much. I did where some people share me your video. Sometimes I do see your video where people share and I just see you some minutes, just sit and watch you, I just see come on. But this very video, a lot of my viewers or my followers that share on to me say, see this your sister, why una we be, you know, una we be so trapped like this, why they behave like this, all this kind of thing. When I really watch the video, I don't really see, like, it don't really make sense to me for that what you really do. It don't really make sense for me. Now, I know you said that your husband you are the richest woman in Germany. You are the richest black woman in Germany. Baba Organo. If you need money, you go meet Mrs. Iyobosa because all wa gbele. Kwanya we to wa ga go wa ga. Ye me nothing. Always salokwa. She claimed that she's the richest black woman in Germany. That the rest one way based on Germany, they be counterfeits. You know, say all my fans, many of my fans, they DJ me now. So you want to tell me, say, my fans, where they DJ me now on a counterfeit because they not get money issue. Because you are the richest black woman in Germany. That is what you said. Then from there, you started like, you know, they show money, show off of money on live video. Fine. It's your money. Nobody is dragging it with you. But sometimes it is good for us to use things. Where me personally, or where I for really get problem with you by those videos where you really show. My sister, you are the richest black woman in Germany. I don't drag it with you, okay? Because before you come, they tell us you are the richest woman in Germany. Or maybe New Year you get where you rest your back. Put. Now, me Lady J, now I can't tell you, say, for me to really believe, say, you are the richest woman in Germany, that is what I want, that is where the problem I have, small, that small problem, that command, what they there, make I really know, say, yes, you are the richest woman in Germany. First and foremost, in your bossa, if you know, say, you know, they collect child benefits. Child benefits, who collect, they know they pay you child benefits. 1. You know they collect single mother money. 2. Okay? You know they collect single mother money. 2. House where you there, now you they pay put. No be where what did they call her? What did they call her for Jamie? Just center. No be they pay for your rent. Then now from there, me go they know say yes, where they manageable in Germany. Say you still there a little bit comfortable in Germany. No be say you they collect child benefits. You they collect single mother money. At the house where you there, now just center now they pay put. At the end of the day, you come they tell us say you are the black richest woman in Germany. Oh, sister. Now that won't be the problem where I get with you. For you to really prove it to us, say yes, you are the richest woman, black woman living in Germany. Now, you have to do a video. You go Just Center. You take Just Center, say, Just Center, are you guys paying me child benefit? Because anybody where they claim, say, if they're comfortable for your house, you don't need to be collecting child benefits. You have to go and meet them and tell them that I don't need child benefit. I know that my children is their right, is their birthright for you, for the government of Germany to be paying them. But there are people who need that money more than me. As a black woman living in Germany, I'm satisfied with what I have. So Just Center, don't pay my kids anymore. I don't need you. I don't want you guys to be paying my money. That one is 1. You go do video where we go tell no say Just Center not they pay your children. Go and tell them not to pay your children anymore. And you will also give us a video that you are the one paying your house rent in Germany. You know they live for Aduro house. Not the government give you house where they stay. The receipt where you tell they pay for your house, you go show us. You go show them. Okay? You gotta show it. Now, you are a comfortable housewife. I never doubt it. Okay? Yes, you they show us your husband, my hobby, my hobby, my hobby, my hobby. Now, everything when you come they show us for live video, you say now your hobby they buy and my hobby buy me this, my hobby buy me that, my hobby buy me this. Yes, congratulations to you that your hobby can be able to buy you all this. Yes. Now, we know what may hobby they hide for your back. May you go to collect single mother money. No. Because lots of you based in Germany, una they hide una husband for una back, una go to collect single mother money. You are going to show us that you, the authority of Germany know that you are living with your husband. Yes, you are going to show it to us that the authority of Germany know that you are living with your husband. You and your husband is living together in this same house. That is when I will know that yes, you are a really comfortable housewife. Because a lot of you based in Germany, una they collect single mother money and una husband follow una their house. Authority where they Germany, they really know say you they live with your husband. If the real authority authority in Jamie, they can really like, they know that both of you are living together. Yes, I will give you hand as well. I'll give you kudos for that. Because a lot of you where they claim, say, I dey live with my husband, I dey live with my husband. Now let me and you know, say your husband they had there. The German government no know say your husband they live there. So not be say you don't go collect child benefit finish. Then you go collect single mother money joiner. You can go buy you my bone straight. You know, let us hear what again. If you are comfortable housewife, you don't need to be collecting child benefit from the government. You don't need to be doing that. Now, another one that I want to throw to you, you have to show us your husband waiting for the work. You go show her to us. You will do video. When your husband go there that work, you go do video, go visit your husband for your working place, and you will put us for video. May we really see him, and you go interview 1 or 2 people for us to really know if your husband is really working there. Yes. And the contract where they sign for your husband, where your husband say they work, you need to show it to us. Say your husband is a working class person. Because the reason why they talk to you like this, I have people who based in Germany, who really bring their husband come out. It's not easy for them. They are crying every day, say, ah, Lady J, no easy, oh. For person to show your husband for Germany, no easy, oh. Because all the expenses now the man head. All this job center or government, they know they like to say to help you anymore, because they don't know say you did under a man, so they will not really help you anymore. Why is it that now you claim that a big get what you now they do behind that where we don't know? If you be say your husband, you know, understand now businessman where be say hey, they should come for big thing where money for the come, because people when me I know where the base for Jamie is not really easy for them. Those who really show their husband to the government, it's not easy for them. Why I say not easy for them? Like somebody I have in Germany, he showed of the government that is living with his husband. Now that they pay the children child benefits, but they not they pay the woman. The child benefits where they pay the children, they can't include and join the husband money where they collect as salary. So they can't calculate and they can't say go reach them, say leave for that full month. Imagine this my friend husband they collect 1,500 and child benefits now like 1,100 for instance, because I don't really know money where they pay, because this my friend get like 4 children. I get okay, he get 4 kids. I don't really know how much where they pay those 4 kids, but that they include the money together where they say they live. Now imagine say the man go they receive 1,500 euro. And just sent a go add 1,100, 100 join that 1,500 when your husband they collect. The house where they live, that they pay 1,000 euro. Not be said they say, I see him with the contract money where they pay every month, because they know they live under not be just sent they pay for their rent. Money where they pay is almost 1,000 euro a month where they pay. Imagine 1,000 euro go come up for her strength. She go come pay light bill. He go come pay gas bill. He go come pay quite things where it dey. Before the children go come eat. That 2,500 euro where they can't get for a month, for instance. How your husband want to go they buy you my hair of 300, 400, 500 or they give you wife every blessed day. How? Money will not reach they say manage their life, manage with the children. The woman now go get every day, go they buy bone straight, go they buy you my hair, they buy this one, buy this one. How the woman want to survive? Come they show us all these things, say, my hubby buy me this, my hubby buy me that, my hubby buy me this. And you really believe say you show the government say you are living with your husband. My dear sister, Lawo, where to jealousy where? When some of you they do something, when I see they do in the way be say you go please people. Okay? Una no they hide una no they like una they hide under single mother till they collect money. Then you want to tell say now your husband buy me this, yours. We want know how much where your husband they receive for that work. We want know. And you go do video, show us where your husband for the work. We want see him. May we really know say this man now guy. And you go just center, go tell them say just center. Mona not they pay my kids anymore. Don't pay. And my husband is capable taking care of me and my kids. But when you call yourself a big woman, and the richest black woman in Germany, and you are still collecting just center money, that means you are the poorest person in Germany. Yes. Not be saga, I know they do. I just want to talk with you one-on-one, because now what you do, the thing I not too like her. You understand? It's not pleasant anymore. You want many women now come to leave their husband because their hobby cannot buy them this, their hobby cannot buy them that. Eh? Many women now will not get sense now. They'll run leave their husband, or they'll begin to fight with their husband, saying, you not see this woman, huh? You not see saying every day they change hair. You not see saying every day they change this one. But those ones, they don't really know the secret behind it that you are hiding. But you will come to the camera and tell us that your hubby buy you this, your hubby buy you that. Sister, I want to know how much your husband is receiving a month. I want to know. I want to know. The money your husband is receiving a month. I want to see it. And you will show us where your husband is working. I know they fight with son. You understand? I've leave her alone, but sometimes let's tell ourselves the truth. You understand? More not call they deceive people. As I day and now come they say, now my husband they do this, now my husband they do that, now my husband they do this. The ones who not get sense now they'll begin go they fight their husband. Not be lie. They'll begin go they fight their husband. Many of them go even pursue their husband says they not come this house again. Not be your mates they do this one so. Even though say your husband na good. Now for your house if it be good. Appreciate some for them. Not be say you come to live video every day, every minute. And my husband buy me this, my husband buy me that. How much will your husband they receive? Where when I tell the buy the bone straight, me we want know. Show out to us. Where your husband for the work? If now 5,000 that they pay him more, now 20,000 that they pay him for a monthly salary. We want to see and say your hobby they really they work. Is a working class man. We want to see it. The money you are showing, you might be saving that money for long. It might be your child a benefit that you have been saving for long. It might take you 5-6 years where you don't save the money for long. Then you want to come and show it to people, say you are capable of this, you are capable of that. Please, stop all these things. Stop. Okay? Stop all these things. What will they do? I beg, leave good example to people. You understand? As I did and now, can't they say, if I want buy bag now, 1,000 euro bag now they carry. If I want buy bag now, 20,000 oh now they buy. Wait, be say, if they sell bag 50 euro, say me, I not go pass there, but I can't make maths, can't talk to audience, say, oh my husband, if you want buy bag, you go buy bag of 1,000 euro for me. It's very bad. Okay? I never said don't show off. I never said don't, yes, it's fine, we like it. But sometimes, take it easy, my dear sister. Take it easy. Because a lot of people are really hungry. No, don't call me, please. A lot of people are really hungry. You understand? Concerning the kind of step where they take, it's very bad. Now, more take it easy. You understand? More take it easy. So if you know say you are the real richest woman in Germany, I challenge you with this. Show us where your husband is working and the salary of your husband. Show it. And show it to us that you are not receiving just center money. Anything where concern government not they enter your house. This receipt where you tell they pay every month for your rent. Show it to us. We will know how much they pay for your rent. Say now you they pay. Just center not they pay your rent. We will see them. Because now you draw your leg, come out. You understand? Now we see her. How much your husband they receive when you got content they buy you my health every day, every minute, every seconds? How much? When your husband they receive? Most say your husband they receive 2,000 euro now. And both straight where they carry maybe like 400 euro. So your husband can be able to be receiving salary every day and be giving you that 400 euro. And you don't have any support from nowhere. Why me get YouTube ne? Why me get Facebook ne? Why you get just center by? Now come they tell us say my hobby buy me this, my hobby buy me that, my hobby do this, my hobby do that. Please, we should stop all this now. It's not fair. We have to be honest. This is here to ourselves now. It no good. How they wear ra 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 ra. While the echo, I know they are talking, now the echo attack no book because it could book woman around the dagger. This one not be crayfish again. This one a dirty way, fully sized soup. It's too much. It's too much. A lot of women now will be fighting their husband, locking their husband outside in Jamie. Say, not be your mates, they do this one, so why you not fit do? Not be your mate, they do this one, so why you not fit do? Me come beg una beg oh. Wala go. When I not leave una husband though because of anything show of Facebook. Don't ever try to leave your husband for 1 minute because of all this show of for Facebook. The one where I agree and I know whether I borrow one. The one where me wear and I know whether I borrow one. You know whether I borrow one. But I can't say, my hubby do me this, my hubby do me that. You know whether I want €1 now I take gather before I can complete the money where I take buy. Maybe if €1 this month I'll gather now, €2 I'll go keep on, €3 and I say take complete money when I take buy, you know. But I'll call your contact say, if I tell my hubby may do this, he go do one. If I tell my hubby may do this, I go do one. Please, if you feel they remote your husband, it's not every woman that can remote their husband. You understand me? So please, me come personally come beg you. If you know say yes, you know they receive just center money, I go respect you. If you know say you show to the government that you live with your man, the same house now they live together. And read the government for Jamie know say yes, we are living with your husband. I go give you kudos, joiner. But not be say you're the collect single mother money, you're the collect just center money, you go collect this one, collect this one. At the end of the day, now can't make man for live video. While I go while they are bearing evil. When I still they remove small fire for inside. Because if fire too much or something go burn. When I take them easy. You understand? Take it easy. Like me, I pay for my rent. My existing is there. My resident, everything is there. I pay. Government no they pay. So not be many of una where they live under government. Una come they make one for live video like say tomorrow not day. People when not get sense now, they'll come they follow una mat, begin they fight their husband or begin they fight their partner. It's very bad now. Why I call you attending no way. Where tamime where government money not the entire your house. Say months go reach, government not they pay your children. If you are the richest black woman in Jamie, don't ever collect any benefit from Jama pocket. Don't ever collect it. Feed your children by yourself. Take care of your children by yourself. Close your children by yourself. That is when I will know that yes, you are a woman that is capable of everything as they talk. Okay? So please, if you know you are capable of doing it, that is when I will know say yes. Okay, Agba. Now they wait, make salary enter your account. If this just sent herself, now what for they not going to pay this month, month don't end, Today na 29, tomorrow 30, once you enter the first, now they never even, they never even pay. After now, don't go collect just center money, you go buy you my now say now my hobby. I want see money where your hobby they receive. I want see money where your hobby they receive for work. I want see where your husband for the work, where for they receive 5,000. I want see me want see people, my viewers want to see make they really know say yes now your husband just they buy this thing for you. Me una stop to they bring other people down because many men you come make that they feel inferior. Say they don't know themselves. They'll begin go they think say how come this man at the same Jamie all of us they I know say yes everybody not be the same but now small they take pass each other small not the one you come they show off for video. I'll be give me card now. Give me the card. Give me card. That's where really get money. Go get man to talk. People that has money, they don't have man to talk. A lot of people based in Jamie, they have what they call money, but they don't talk. Why be say for your get 100 naira for account? Will begin they bill I say tomorrow not day again. A lot of people go they see themselves say, I'm a failure, brother. You not be failure, though. No count yourself among of failure, okay? Day your day, do your things. Okay? Day your day, do your things, because after this video, you don't know what they do behind camera. So take your home the way it is. And I use this opportunity to come and beg our ladies. Don't look things that you see on video, may you take it as personal. Don't take it personal. Okay? Say because say hobby the bad is bad, that your hobby nothing bad give you now, come they fight, now come they quarrel. You want to leave your hobby. Don't do it, sister. Don't do it. You don't know what they take cook or war where be say can't sick like that. Oh. You don't know. You don't know. So a lot of women now go come, they say, hey, I want to leave my husband, oh, my husband not good, oh, my husband, even come on, €5 team, my husband not feel bad for me. A lot of people go come get that thought for mind. I beg you all, women in the house, never you look that and abandon your husband for no reason, for all this kind of things. As I did so, I feel buy €100 clothes, I feel buy €70 clothes. Instead we €100 clothes day. Now that €5 won't go there. Now that €10 won't go there. I know come and cut on and say, if you see clothes where they wear, if not be €200 or €300, I know they wear. I they deceive you now. I they deceive you. Don't believe say me Lady J, I want scatter your house. We have forget €100 cloth. Inside that €100 cloth where I get, believe me, €5 won't they inside. Believe me, €10 they inside. Sometimes clothes when me go buy for €10, I go even value a pass one where I buy for €50. I go, you like the cloth, I'm not the use and follow person play. If you tell me say, Lady J, you like this your shirt, I'll say leave on. If you take another one, because I like that cloth. Not be saying that the money where I take buy, not be really the important, but I just like the cloth. It they cheap, yes, but I love it. You get me right. So not be say I can't come and come and tell you say now €200 cloth. Now I'll be the buy without €200 cloth. I know they wear. Now yeah for they do my shopping. Me as I did, if I still go open market, I see shirt where I still like for inside open market, I will still buy. Then I'll come call your front. Now come and tell you say now me be talk and do. Cloth where they wear now €500. If I wear €500, you know someone go see Queen of England. In short, if I want even go see Queen of England, they'll say go see Queen of England. Now the shirt will even see here. Let me go wear. Go make Queen of England say no say any year man you don't have a check in many area. I can't go raise shoulder for person who want do me good. I can't go raise myself, give one. Say maybe I want go meet with the president now. I get to know myself. Me I take get what I want. Yes. I get to even wear even €2 cloth. Make the person where I want go meet know say my condition not balance. Make it still help me. Not be say I want go see person. I can't go borrow money. Take go back €300 cloth or €500 cloth. Say I want wear. I not go try am. Because me and the person be say cloth they could they tire me. I see you wear this one now. You don't pan not wear them again. So I can't go to buy for €500 cloth so that I'll wear on tomorrow. Don't tire me. I'll stick around that €300 go buy another one. We'll start to deceive ourselves now. What soon we? Where they got deceive a bima? We'll start to deceive ourselves. I get €200. Say I buy €200 cloth today. Fine. But all my cloth not be €200. All my cloth not be €100. All my cloth not be €50. Inside we €100. The €5 they inside. Even €1 they inside. Now so. So I call it proud to my viewers. Say ask about me. We know the chop food we not done. No. Of which I not see food put for fire. But I can't raise myself to my audience. Say if you see food where I cook, na maka. Your interview, when I really go to your interview, the way you even speak, it provoked me personally. Because why? I wish you would tell me, say, if I want to buy cloth, I go to Gucci, I go to Armani, I go to Rocco Barocco. I go the year. Not be say they go €30 cloth, €10 cloth, €15 cloth. Even maybe when they go even do discounts, now they go they buy. You can't tell us say now your hobby. I beg now. Why they are better even now? It gets some kind of cloth where I want back. Maybe they can go write €100. Ha, I can see say this €100, I don't feel to buy this cloth. I go dey wash. Anytime when they go do discount for that cloth, I go dey wash. Maybe they'll come do discount, go come be that kind €30 or €20. I'll go buy. Me go buy. Because that €100, they pay me. I have a lot to do for myself and my family now. I can't go they use €100 or go they buy one cloth or 150. Are they mad? Even though say the money surplus, there are a lot of people who still need our help. We no get. We never even see food eat since. You share with people. Not be say I can't go today I wear and tomorrow I wear and I don't see dumper. The money never useless. That is why those things not they freak me. All these things not they freak me. Like. Say you want to cash me because say you get €500 cloth. Sister, that one are your own. If you even buy €500 cloth, can't dash me. I prefer me you give me the money. Me I take buy many clothes they wear because if I wear not today tomorrow, if it tire me, I'll dump them. So you know to pay me because not to cost. So I can't go buy one cloth €500. I'll wear not 2 times. I'll see Troguian. I'll go buy 1,000. I'll wear not the other day 2 days. I'll see go dump them. Sister, what give you a better evil? Also, if I look a lot of people today, I don't understand. The time when less be less, fear go let you buy less. One less go be €700, €800, 1,000 for one less at that time. You go fit buy one less, €1,000. Not be now where Chinese food everywhere. Chinese don't help all of us finish. If you even want €50, you go buy less these days. What is wrong with us? So is when me buy that time they regret now. So I wish I know I'll keep the money. Yes, not be lie. Because that time we really buy. Today now I not they invoke again. Today now those money they be like waiting we throw away for inside pit. That is just it. It's no longer useful. Those less when we spend money take back that time. People when don't really take they understand what they talk. You buy one less 1,000 to 1,500. One less. But today, uncle, Chef go still let her carry the lace, come and say one wear around. Because you know they invoke again. This time and these days, we see that a lot of things they invoke. Today, you feel your body son, and you go, you're sick, not like them again. Tomorrow, if you go back, another one. So why we want carry the whole world put for head, like say, the whole world want just fall down? Why? Why? So stop to they raise yourself to people. People will go for your, all this your prank, and don't know how you want to call them. There are people who say they're not really guessing. If they're really guessing, they'll know all these things now. You know, now show off. You understand? Because how much when your husband they receive when you say they buy all this human hair. We want to see her. Show us wait for the work. Say your husband are really working class. And you will show us that you are not receiving just center money. Just center is not paying your house rent as well. If you dey collect child benefit for Jamie and you call yourself a comfortable housewife, that means you are a joker. That means you are a joker. You are not a comfortable housewife because even government still dey enter your house. Government money still dey enter your house. So if your husband is capable, he's not supposed to receive just center money. And you as well, just center money not supposed to even come knock on your door. Everything your husband must do it for you. That is when me go no say yes, you are a really comfortable housewife. You as well, I know say you know the work. If you see the work, come show us the money where you two see they receive. We want see them. When you tell they buy you my. After you two pay you don't receive for a year for this one. You can't gather now together, go buy one you my. You can't say my hobby. Swear, if all the human hair you have been showing say now your husband money or now you work for the money, where you dey inside, can you? Can you really swear say now you all the show off when you don't they show off say now your husband money now they really say they buy not make a lot of men come be like say they be failure now say their husband not feel bad for them like my own now don't tell me stay working place I say me not call us because you not buy me bone straight now bone straight now they no it time na you wa ogbolo don't come up for husband house so ogbolo say your husband not buy bone straight now I say before me go see come up for my own me I come fair tell you your bossa. Make it show me the money when your husband they receive a month. Where they tell they buy me this, buy me that. And he go still tell me, say, prove out to me, say, you know they receive just center money. He go still prove out to me, say, the house when they live, now she they pay by herself. Just center no dey pay. Before I tell my husband say, oh yeah, I go pack come for my own. I start say you never show me all these things. I no go come out now. I no go come out. I see day. I go see the maybe if you beg me today, if you can open door for them, I see they look you thing. You go show us say your husband is capable. Abi, oh mama, we salo kwa iwo mafia ya gbegbe. Ah, my husband this, my husband that, my husband this, my hobby this, my hobby that. Please, all this show off is too much. Hello. I greet you. Yes. Okay. You understand? So if I feel open the manage, open door for her today, make it enter. If you don't show me, say yes. Now your husband, they do all this one for you. Now from window me go for throw away my own. I go if you don't go work, I go young arrange for cellophane luggage 2-day portable cellophane. You know those cellophane will take the throw away dustbin. Now me go load the clothes, put out from window throw away and give her made from there go because it's not a man enough. It's not a man enough. So before I go use my hand pursue the one when I suffer the carry they go now. Show me say your husband I they do everything for you. Show her to us. We want see her. Do video to where your husband is working. Do video in a job center that you are not receiving job center money. Show us the receipt where you take the pay for your house strength where you did. Because I know say house for Jamie very cost. It not be like Italy house still cheap, small. But Jenny, I know say as I say you know they on that job center say you they pay house rent. Their house rent they cost. I have a lot of people there in Jamie where be say they show their husband, they cry, say her, my sister I know is you, my sister I know is you. I know as they tell they follow different office. If they carry some big come, you go say I bet Sharon because we'll suffer they pay. We know you know those kind of things. I understand because why they're not too buoyant. After the receiving the salary of the man, and just said I constantly pay the picking benefit journal. After the whole expenses, you know, reach how much you go come out for inside. And inside that one, they will come eat for 1 month. Come take care of their children for 1 month. Sister now, wagari atemata, okay, no good. Show me, maybe your husband they receive 10K or they receive 5K or 3K. I go no say yes. Really now hobby na it be. But without that, I cannot take it. I know a lot of people cannot take it because when I see your comment section where they really comment, a lot of people were really bullying you on that comment section. My sister, I'm not like telling you that what you are doing is wrong, but please take it easy. Not when they make a lot of us they feel say we be inferior. We don't know our left from our right. Who really get money, no they go bank. If you really get money, you know if you go bank now. Why you bank 3K mujwa? Why you bank 2K mujwa? Why you bank 1K mujwa? Me I not get. If you push me on top of 100 euros, said me I go my chair where I sit down. Now if you break because I not get. You understand? I don't feel come they tell you now say now say I get this, now say I get that, now say I get this now. No. Come on 100 euro. If you push me, I go 4. You understand? I go 4. I don't get. I dey manage. I beg sister, if you too much away, they beg. Just call me, make you see sense, give me. Me, I don't hate better thing, no. Sharon, at least you take 40, take 50, take 30. Now more Sharon, nah. Since you don't be the richest woman, only my gualo, me would say the, you know. Man, the learn where how God really bless this person. When you say you come they make some kind show off where be saying my hobby. If my pikin want to birthday 15,000 euro, brother, can we not me 15,000 euro? No, we are tired. Yeah, where from now on, una begin the like, now one point for one of mona take gather the 15,000. Mona come prove to people say, hey, my pikin birthday I spend 15,000. You get 15,000 euro for your account. You know they go a money shop. A money shop. You know they go a money shop. You know they go D&G shop. So all those one I even look.